Hello students. In the last class we did question number 1 and 2 from exercise 12.4 and those were the word problems related with addition and subtraction of fractions. Today I am going to explain question number 3 and 4. Okay, we can see question number 3. 5 by 12 of the population of a city are women. 2 by 9 are children and the rest are men. Find the fraction of men in the city. I have told you whenever you get a word problem, first you have to see what is to be done to get the answer. Okay, and the next step is find out the statements seeing the numbers given. Okay. Now, first what we have to say, we have to find out what is to be done. Here you can see 5 by 12 of the population of a city are women. Population of women. And 2 by 9 are children. Population of children. It's not given in number, it is given in fraction. Means fraction of women and fraction of children are given. And the rest are men. Means the remaining number will be, or remaining fraction will be the number of men. Now you have to find out what is the fraction of men in the city. We know that population means the number of men plus number of women plus number of children. Number of children. Okay, now we don't know what is a number, but we know the fraction of women. Fraction of women is 5 by 12 and fraction of children, that is 2 by 9, and fraction of men we don't know. When you add them together, we get the total population. But we don't know what is the total population and we don't know what is the population of men. Then we can understand when you add the number of men, women and children, we get the total population. We can imagine total population is equal to 1. Okay, let the total population is 1. That 1 we get when we add the population of men, women and children. Okay, then let total population is equal to 1. Equal to 1. It means 1 is equal to men plus 5 by 12 plus 2 by 9. For getting men, what we have to do? From the total population, we have to subtract the population of women and children. Okay? As here the numbers are not given, fractions are given, we can write the statements as fraction of women, fraction of children and fraction of men. Okay? Then for finding the answer, first we can write the statements. What are the statements? First statement will be population of city are women. First statement will be fraction of women. Fraction of women is equal to 5 by 12. Second statement we can write fraction of children is equal to 2 by 9. From that what we have to find out? We have to find out fraction of men. Therefore, fraction of men is equal to 1 minus means total population minus population of women plus population of children. Okay? Now, how to do the fraction, how to do the process? 1 means we can write it as a fraction 1 by 1. We can change it into write it as a fraction by writing denominator as 1. 1 by 1 minus 5 by 12 plus 2 by 9. Okay, now what to do? For this, here you can see the process is with addition and subtraction. Why we have written it in the bracket? Because first what we have to do? We have to add them. Then that answer should be subtracted from 1. Okay. Now, the same thing only we have written in one step. Okay. Now, LCM of 1, 12 and 9. We have to find out the LCM of 1, 12 and 9. We will get 36 as the LCM. Then the step you have to continue as we were doing miscellaneous problems on addition and subtraction. Having 36 as the denominator, we have to change all the numerators. You have to continue the process. You will get the answer. And that answer will be the fraction of men in the city. Okay. Now, next question you can see, question number 4. A tailor uses 27 1/3 meters of thread from a new reel. Reel of thread, you all must have seen reel of thread, no? From that, a tailor uses 27 1/3 meters of thread. If the length of the reel is 80 meters, if the total length of the reel, वो reel में पूरा कितना लंबाई है thread का, that is 80 meters. If the full length of the thread is 80 meters, you have to find out the length of the thread left in the reel. For finding out the length of the thread left, remaining portion, what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. From what? What should be subtracted from what? From the total length of the reel. What is the total length of the reel? That is 80 meters. 80 meters minus, we have to subtract the length of the reel thread which is used. That is 27 1/3. 80 meters minus 27 1/3. When you do this minus subtraction process, you will get the length of the thread left in the reel. Okay. Then what will be the first statement? First statement is, first what number you are going to write? 80. What is 80? 80 is the length of the reel. First statement will be length of the reel. Now what will be the second statement? 27 1/3. It will be the length of the thread used from a new reel. The length of the thread used from the reel. Now what you are going to get as the answer, the last final answer statement will be length of the thread left in the reel is equal to 80 minus 27 1/3. 80, for doing the subtraction, how we will write 80? 80 by 1 minus 27 1/3. We will make it into improper fraction. Then we will continue the process of subtraction. As the denominators are same, we have to find the LCM and change. Necessary changes we have to make accordingly. Okay, this is the way you have to do question number 4. Hope all of you understood. You have to do these word problems in your copy. Thank you.